battery are dead.
So yo, dog, why me can't walk with the charger, bad man?
JPS cut off my light and guess what? We don't pay them the last money. And then you hungry? Oh, sir.
You have a thing when them teeth in.
But when me about charge with it, me not no charger. That is the point.
Brother, charger cheap still in a but you are Rasta with all of a charger. When you power they can borrow the charger.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, yeah.
My free.
Why are you? They are going easy.
And the phone I'm off for charge now coming for go up on the road, that's it.
No star. Man, I could charge in front of the morning, man.
No man, we have some things I did. Man, boy, I must have a thing I'm so forward there.
You know, long me want to charge my phone and it come and plug it and if you all.
Yo, what you do?
Relax, man.
Yo, low man phone make you
Yo,
man.
let me teach you something. Teach you something. You see, this is Jamaica. You see, when you want that charger and the plug right in front of you, all you have to do like this.
You know, say you're not easy.
But
I stand deserve to get no car in that too. Because the man that talk to us, no girl need that too. But man phone charge. You know, say you're not a girl though.
Burn it down. Yeah, them good.
Yeah, man. Yeah, them good, man. So what about you don't put nothing on there?
No, if I have phone, man, phone not to move in a jar.
I mean, we need a new charger, man. Break it down there a little bit. Down there a little bit.
So I cut it now, yo.
But you think man, it's soon charge. Charge, you're not easy boy, yo. Anyway, I have to rate it.
You want to see my car now, man?
Yo, Rasta.
Yo! Fire! Phone are ringing up.
Yeah, blazing. Yeah, man, my phone me wait for charge, man. Soon come. Why? You not to look like that charge either, but it's on time. Yeah, I'm soon forward, man. Yeah, man, I know say thing because you know, but we can't depend on what I'm call me. You know, say all I think about mash up that way there. Lose that way then. I have to charge on the phone. Yeah, yeah, I'm soon forward. Yeah, mad pre. Ah. When the phone, my phone not charge you, I want to go on.
That socket then now, man.
You need a proper charger, man.
But you see, yo, it's a charger now.
Maybe charger now work with the phone still.
That me I say to Rasta.
Yeah, man, for real, yo. Sorry about that to the man. Yeah, man, the one the channel doesn't go through my phone dead. Palm, man, yeah. I know so we have a thing to deal with them, but you know, my phone does not charge, man, because I think the phone they are charged, and I think I don't have enough charge for it, man. Sorry about that, man. Think can work tomorrow, man. I deal with it tomorrow, man. Tonight, yo, I put my phone on charger now, then I go and then night go deal with it. Alright? And I say a word, man. Sorry about that, man. Mad pray. Every time I there, I say the phone charge. When them boy they have my phone not charge. How much money I lose still because of that, man. She not even watch me on them bum about it. I'm telling you, don't chuck my charger, you know. Somebody go feel it though, you know. No, bad breed. Me not find no yet, you know. Yo, more make a link for me though. A bag of thing go on. More link, more short back. I'm going to niggle here. Ah.
What go Rasta?
What is that? What are you doing?
Boy, but they have come off and juggling the boy.
Then I get there and I will it off. You know you go. Bag of thing.
No pork last steam round the back there.
They are bad breed. You know, so I hope the smoke up on it. Everything good though.
Yeah, man.
Boy, I work me I get ready to go up on now. You what? You see me lose that piece of money, you know. Obviously I try to charge my phone coming on the phone dead for me. Phone dead before transaction make.
Boy, your phone a good man.
And you got phone.
Well, we can't get
Yeah, but anyway, boy, there you know, talking about charging phone, my phone I don't want charge enough to blow. The mission have to go on today, you know. The mission have to go on.
Yeah, man. Every food have been here, so I can eat too. Yeah.
Blood thing, me carry charger come and left off the phone. Yo, no man to my charger, you know.
No, sir,
No man to my charger.
that good, man. That good, man. That good. Relax, man. You don't want nothing.
Yeah, man, say fellow.
Oh, ayo, my phone can't charge. That 100% charge. Some trouble people things.
Me say you better watch this show. Subscribe and share, cause of the comedy you feel know. Richard Brown and Island Gates Flim, we have the flow. See Popeye there and Bush Gosh and make you know. Just watch this comedy show, subscribe and share.